Namaste. We have all had Maggi and soya chili, but have you ever tried Maggi and soya chili's combo? Start by boiling some water and then add soya chunks into it. After a few minutes, squeeze out all the excess water from the soya chunks. Now add ginger garlic paste and maida, corn flour and red chili powder. Coat this all well into the soya chunks. Heat up some oil and then shallow fry these, or you can also air fry. Once the reddish golden color starts appearing, take this out. Now for the sauce, heat up some oil, add chili and then add onion, capsicum and carrot. Add salt, cover and let it cook for a while. Add finely chopped garlics before adding salt. Now add chaat masala powder and Maggi magic masala. Then add tomato sauce and chili sauce. Mix corn flour and water and add the slurry. After adding water, quickly mix it. Add the soya chunks and give it a good mix. And the soya chili is ready. Now let's make vegetable Maggi. When the oil is hot, put chili, finely chopped carrots and onions. Cover it for a while and then add finely chopped tomatoes and salt. Mix this and then add little bit magic masala and coriander powder. Add both the sauce. Now put water and let it come to a boil. Add the taste maker, mix it well and then add Maggi. Below, do you prefer soupy Maggi or dry Maggi? If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.